So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and figure out how to restore your iPhone wirelessly using another iPhone. Now, if you're talking about when you're setting up your iPhone and transferring the data, during the setup process, you just have to bring two iPhones together that are on iOS 12 or above, and you should be able to go and restore them that way. But with the iPhone 16, you now have the capability of when your iPhone is in restore mode, if you have another iPhone or somebody else has another iPhone laying around, they can go ahead and wirelessly restore your iPhone 16 using that panel. So the first thing you want to do is, put your iPhone in restore mode. So it should already probably be in restore mode. So go ahead and make sure it's in restore mode, make sure it's plugged in if you can have it. And then using another iPhone, you just want to bring your iPhone kind of close to that particular other device, and you should be able to see this type of prompt basically come up. This prompt is going to tell you that you can restore your nearby iPhone. So now all you have to do is go and click on the continue button right there, and it's going to actually allow you to continue through with using your particular iPhone. So now it's going to go through the restore process on this particular iPhone, and then all you're going to have to do is give it just a little bit of time. After giving it a little bit of time, your iPhone should then go ahead and start going through the setup process. It should then go and kind of reboot, and then your iPhone will be wirelessly restored from another iPhone that was laying around. So that's basically how to do it. It's a very basic process, and that's essentially how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.